Introducing the 2008 Nissan Titan. If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. With a powerful 8-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting 5-speed automatic transmission, the anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road. Heated seats comfort you on cold winter days. This car has separate passenger temperature controls. Memory settings are just one of the extras. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: air conditioning, power windows, power steering, power mirrors, an alarm system, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, an adjustable tilt steering wheel. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included: front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag. Call today to schedule a test drive.